Hi, so I'm back again. Today I'll be showing you how I modified my Symbiote black suit Spider-Man. This modification I did quite a while ago. I had the footage and but I didn't find the time to edit the footage, so now I'm finally doing it, and I will explain step by step how I did it, each and every step. It's not perfect, but I think it's still a big step up from the stock Hot Toys figure. I'm waiting on the newer version when it releases. Hopefully Hot Toys will fix the newer version, but until then this works perfectly fine. So the first step that I did was modifying the body. I used foam to make a muscle padding inside the body. For this one I didn't unstitch the body. I just cut out the shape of the foam that I wanted, and I just inserted the foam from the neck area. It's actually quite easy. If the foam that you're using is flexible, then it'll be very easy for you. So just copy the shape that I cut my foam in, and then you can just follow the same shape and just insert the foam from the neck area and just place it onto the shoulder and chest, and it'll look fine. It might not seem easy. You have to move the foam around because the suit is very tight, but it's doable. So you just move the foam until it fits into the place. So the next step is to thicken up the neck, because the neck is like very straight. I wanted it to give like slope, a little dimension from backside and on the right and left side as well. So I just use the same foam to just make the neck thicker a bit. And then I just use the super glue to glue the foam directly onto the neck. So this is how the neck looks after I added the foam. Now as you can see, I have taken out the eyes from the head as well, and after this I will add some padding in the head to give it a new shape, the more accurate shape, and then I will be 3D printing the eyes. I will include the file I used in description, so you can get it 3D printed as well. I'm not sure about the size. You may have to adjust the size, or you just get it printed like one size smaller and one size bigger, so then you can decide later which one fits the best. So this is my first result after 3D printing the eyes. I added the foam underneath the eyes as well to fill up the gap, because the original Hot Toys eyes shape were different. So you need to add like foam, a little bit foam underneath to make it fill up a bit, and then I changed the head shape a bit as well. So this is how it looks after you add new eyes. New eyes, you need to add foam to glue it inside. I mean, when you put on the mask on the head, after that you need to glue in the eyes so that they sit on top of the mask. So this is how it looks, and after this step you just have to just paint the eyes, and then you are done. Now after this step I ended up adding more padding inside as well. So my final result look more bulkier than currently how it looks, and in a short while you will see how it looks after I paint the eyes. Painted eyes, of course, they will not look as good as the Hot Toys one, because the Hot Toys one have depth inside, but the shape is not really accurate at all. So I think this still looks much better than the Hot Toys one. So here it is, this is the final result. This is how it looks now. As you can see, I ended up adding more padding in the shoulders and chest, so it looks more bulkier and more screen accurate. When you pose him, it will look much better rather than the museum pose. He still looks weird because original body inside is very weird, as you can see, but when you pose him, it will look much better and screen accurate. It's still a very good figure, I would say, and until the Hot Toys releases the new one, it still works good in my collection, so I'm very happy with the result. Now if you like this video or you learned anything from it, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new videos. I'm trying to upload as frequently as I can, but I'm trying my best, so just support my channel so I can upload more. Thank you.